Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a DBA in Arizona, also known as a trade name. First, it's important to understand what a DBA is and why you might need one. It allows your business to operate under a name different from its legal name. Next, you'll want to confirm if your specific business structure, like a sole proprietorship or LLC, would benefit from this registration. The very first step is to search the Arizona Secretary of State's database to ensure your desired trade name is available for use. Once you've confirmed your desired name is available, the next step is to prepare your application. Arizona requires you to complete the trade name application form online. You'll need to accurately provide all essential business details, such as your business address and information about the owner or entity. Take your time to carefully fill out every required field to avoid any delays in processing your application. With your application thoroughly prepared, it's time to submit it. You will file your completed trade name application directly with the Arizona Secretary of State, exclusively through their online portal. A filing fee of $10 is required at the time of submission. After filing, the processing time typically takes a few weeks for the state to review and approve your trade name registration. After successfully registering your trade name, there are a few ongoing responsibilities. It's crucial to keep your trade name information current by filing amendments with the Secretary of State if any details change. Your Arizona trade name is valid for a period of 5 years. To continue using it, you must renew it online before its expiration date, which also costs $10. Staying compliant ensures your business name remains officially recognized.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.